Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on profile view history on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open TikTok, and then what you have to do is just simply tap on inbox, and you will see here profile view option. So just simply tap on this, and you have to turn it on from here. And if you don't see here, then what you have to do is just simply update your TikTok, and then go back and tap on profile, and then tap on three lines here, then tap on setting and privacy, and then tap on privacy, and then scroll it down all the way, and here you can see profile views. So just simply tap on this, and from here turn it on, and then go back, and then tap on eye icon here, and you can see here two people viewed my profile. And if you want to turn it off, then tap on this icon, and you can turn it off from here. And again, if you want to turn it on, then you have to turn it on from here. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.